Have You Ever by Jennifer Camila Bermúdez Pamplona. Have you ever gone to Machu Picchu? Have you ever played the guitar? Have you ever taken 1,000 photos just in one day? Have you ever met a famous star? Have you ever done exercise at the beach? Have you ever practiced skiing? Have you ever ridden a motorbike? Have you ever drunk tequila? Have you ever driven a car? Have you ever read Harry Potter? Have you ever found money in the street? Have you studied English before? Have you ever run a marathon? Have you ever cooked tacos at home? Have you ever worked over 15 hours in your office? Have you ever seen the Great Wall of China? Have you ever had an iPhone before? Have you ever swum with dolphins? Have you ever lost your wallet? Have you ever fallen asleep on your laptop? Thanks for watching. This is a lesson about have you ever.